In this video, I'm going to discuss the various documents that you need to gather to prepare your Chapter 7 bankruptcy petition and the things you need to do before filing your case. Let's get started. Hello again, I'm attorney Robert Flesses. If you're new to this channel, now would be the best time to subscribe, because if you do subscribe, you'll know where to go to get answers to your legal questions. Preparing your bankruptcy petition will be a lot easier if you gather up documents before you dive into the actual petition schedules. We'll start here. You'll need to verify your identity to the bankruptcy trustee to prove that you're the person who filed the petition. You'll need to identify yourself with an acceptable photo identification and acceptable Social Security document. Acceptable photo identification can be a driver's license, a U.S. government ID, a state ID, a student ID, a passport or current visa, military ID, resident alien card, or identity card issued by a national government authority. Acceptable Social Security number documents can be a Social Security card, medical insurance card, pay stub, W-2 form, IRS Form 1099, Social Security Administration statement, or an individual taxpayer identification number if you're not eligible for a Social Security number. Copy the documents that you're going to use and put them into your bankruptcy file. Next, you'll need to read the bankruptcy information sheet. Now, you can download that form from your local bankruptcy court's website. Why do you need it? Well, at your creditor meeting, the trustee will ask you if you read that document. Now, as I stated in the first video, you'll need to take a credit counseling course. The U.S. Trustee's website provides a list of approved providers. If you're married and both you and your spouse are filing, both of you will need to complete a credit counseling course. This course takes anywhere from 1 to 1.5 hours. This is mandatory, and the court will dismiss your case if you don't complete the course. At the conclusion of the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion from the course provider, usually by email. This certificate needs to be filed with the court with the filing of your petition. Next, you should download the most recent copy of your credit report. You can obtain a free credit report once per year by going to annualcreditreport.com. You'll be entering each of your creditors in your bankruptcy petition, which will include the creditor's name, address, your account number, and balance owed. Do not rely exclusively on your credit report to identify your debt. If a debt doesn't appear in your credit report, for example, a healthcare debt that did not go to collections yet, then find the latest invoice for that debt. If you can't find a particular debt on your credit report or don't have a recent creditor statement, don't be afraid to answer harassing creditor calls from either the creditor or a collection agency. You can use these calls to obtain the information that you'll add to your bankruptcy case. Get the company name, address, account number, the date you incurred the debt, the classification of the debt, for example, credit card, healthcare, payday loan, etc. Lastly, get the current balance owed. If they ask, you can tell them that you'll be filing bankruptcy and when would you expect to file your case. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video, which will be number 4 in this series, I'll get into the other documents and information that you'll need before you file. Well, remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm attorney Robert Flesses, and I'll see you in my next bankruptcy video.